अरे वाह, चोपड़ा साहब के शादी के 50 साल पूरे हो गए। कितने दिनों से हम उनको जानते हैं और ऐसा लगता है अभी कल की तो बात है जब हम जारी पार्क में साथ में रहते थे।
In fact, we know them from 1978 when they were staying in Killampuri and we were staying in East Point Colony. And thereafter, we shifted to Amzari Park. They also shifted to Amzari Park, and we were in the same building. So we came very closer. He was also my instructor while I was doing my submarine course. So, I mean, we have been knowing each other very closely for a long time. And then we came to Bombay, and then they also shifted to Bombay. So, over a period of time, we have known this family very well. And our kids have known each other so well, they have played together. Chopra Sahab has been a person, in fact, both of them have been very, very jovial, good-hearted, nice people to know.
कोई भी अगर कठिन परिस्थिति में कभी भी जाओ तो चोपड़ा साहब मजाक के 2 शब्द बोलकर उस गंभीर समस्या को एक बातों में उड़ा देते थे।
Yeah, that is there.
और हिमांशु और राशि तो साथ में ही बड़े हुए हैं। रोज का खेलना, रोज मतलब मिलना जुलना। जब कभी भी किसी परेशानी में फंसे तो दोनों लोग मिलकर समस्या का समाधान निकाल देते थे। और वहीं क्यों, रिटायरमेंट के बाद हम लोग कुछ भगवान ने ऐसा बनाया कि विशाखापट्टनम में साथ रहे, मुंबई में नेवी में साथ रहे और हम लोग एक घर में भी रहे। और यहाँ रिटायरमेंट के बाद हम लोग फिर जलवायु विहार में साथ रह रहे। तो कभी भी आप, या जो मेरा अनुभव है कि दोनों लोग को साथ, दोनों लोग से मिले, जब कभी भी मैं मिली हूँ या कोई भी मिले तो इतने हंस कर सबका स्वागत करना और मिलना, दोनों बहुत अच्छे मिलनसार स्वभाव के। और ख़ास तौर से मिसेस चोपड़ा खाना बहुत अच्छा पकाती है तो चोपड़ा साहब उतने ही मन से खिलाते। दोनों मिलकर एक इतने अच्छे जैसे कपल का निर्माण करते हैं कि एक आदर्श दंपति माना जाए इनको।
So, Chopra Sahab and Mrs. Chopra, we wish you
very happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. May you live together forever.
भगवान आपको स्वस्थ रखे, खुश रखे और ऐसे ही सबको हंसाते रहें, हंसते रहें।
Hi, happy 50th anniversary, Commander Chopra and Veena ji. Here I am wishing you happy anniversary and many more to come. You are a very lovely couple. आप लोग हमेशा हंसते मुस्कुराते रहते हैं और आपसे तो मेरी पहचान बहुत पुरानी है, हमारा कम्युनिकेशन बहुत पुराना है। जब वाइजैक में 78 में शादी के बाद इमीडिएटली मैं आई थी तब आप लोग ही मेरे नेबर्स थे और उस समय मुझे तो कुछ भी किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में मालूम नहीं था और मेरी कुकिंग तो एकदम नील थी। तो वीना जी हैं जिन्होंने कि मुझे सब कुछ सिखाया। सो आई विल वांट टू थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दैट कि आपने मुझे इतनी अच्छी तरह से उस समय देखा था। और उसके बाद फिर हम लोग थोड़ा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए थे। फिर बाद में हम लोग जलवायु विहार में मिले और फिर से हम लोगों की पुरानी दोस्ती ताज़ा हो गई और हम लोग मिलने लगे। और देन आप लोग मेरे पास ऐसे पेशेंट भी आना शुरू हो गए। वीना जी, यू आर माई फ्रेंड, यू आर माई टीचर एंड यू आर माई पेशेंट ऑल्सो। एक बात बोलूँगी कि आप दोनों ही बहुत ही अच्छे पेशेंट हैं। आप लोग सबकी एडवाइस लेते हैं बट आके फिर मुझसे ही पूछते हैं कि अब आप बताओ आपकी एडवाइस क्या है और उसको ही फॉलो करते हैं। कमांडर चोपड़ा और वीना जी माता में बहुत विश्वास करते हैं तो मैं यही बोलती हूँ कि माता रानी की कृपा आप दोनों पे बनी रहे और इसी तरह हंसी खुशी आप और बहुत सारी एनिवर्सरी मनाएं। सो ऑल द बेस्ट, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी,
हैप्पी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी। बहुत बहुत मुबारक थानू तंदुरुस्त रहो, खुश रहो, हमेशा मनाते रहो, बड़ियां उम्रां होण तुहाडियां। मेरी दुआ है तुहाडे नाल।
ਮੇਰੀ ਤਰਫ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਲੰਮੀ ਉਮਰ ਹੋਵੇ, ਹੈਪੀ ਨਿਊ ਐਨੀਵਰਸਰੀ, ਜਿਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੋ, ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੋ, ਆਬਾਦ ਰਹੋ, ਤੰਦਰੁਸਤੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ।
Happy marriage anniversary, uncle and auntie. All best wishes from Garcha family. Best of luck.
Hello uncle ji and auntie ji, wish you a very happy wedding anniversary. 50 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਇੱਕਦਮ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਮਿਲੀ ਸੀ 1984 ਚ। ਆਂਟੀ ਜੀ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਸੋ ਸਵੀਟ, ਐਲੀਗੈਂਟ ਐਂਡ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ। ਅੰਕਲ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਹੈਂਡਸਮ ਹੋ। ਮੇ ਗॉड bless you the same, good health and happiness forever and many more ahead celebrations. Bye now, love you guys.
Hello to my favorite uncle and auntie. Here's wishing you both a very happy golden anniversary and very warm wishes from dad and mom too. I spoke to them. They asked me to pass on their best wishes to you. And they also wish you many happy and healthy ones ahead. Many more happy and healthy ones ahead. Auntie and uncle, I have very fond memories. You know, our families go back around 38 years. I've got very fond memories of our visits to your house at Amzari Park. Those were such wonderful days. We used to come and spend a lot of time with you all and have such fun. I wish I could relive those days again, and such wonderful times. I love you both and I wish you all the best. And once again, as you celebrate this remarkable occasion and milestone of 50 years of love and togetherness, I wish you all the happiness in the world. I wish you great times. I wish you great health. I wish you most happiness, and I love you both. Hope to meet you soon.
Namaste, Auntie Ji, Uncle Ji. Here's wishing you a very, very happy golden anniversary. 50 years of being together is such a great accomplishment. And I know most parents just love and adorn their own children, but I have felt the same love and affection from both of you from afar. And I want to thank you for all the blessings and good wishes you've showered upon me over the years. Have fun, enjoy your special day, be in control, and don't let the kids boss you around. And once again, congratulations on this milestone. Stay blessed.
Hello, Uncle and Auntie. Heartiest congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. May God bless you with lots and lots of happiness, the best of health, and togetherness always. We still remember our childhood that we spent with you, and we got so many blessings from you. You came to our wedding and blessed us all. So, may God bless us always and always. See you. Take care. And looking forward for your 75 years of your wedding anniversary. Bye.
नमस्ते वीना जी और भाई साहब, आपको बहुत बहुत 50th मैरिज एनिवर्सरी मुबारक हो। हमेशा सलामत रहो, परमात्मा तंदुरुस्ती दे आपको।
Happy wedding anniversary, Uncle Ji and Auntie Ji. May you both stay together forever and ever.
Happy 50th anniversary, dear uncle and auntie.
Anniversary to the most beautiful and lively couple, Taiji and Taiji. So it's so good to hear that it's 50th anniversary. May God give you long, healthy life, and do come to Punjab again. I miss those days, eating golgappas and chit chat and all, making chutneys and all. Yeah. So happy anniversary again, Taiji and Taiji. Missing you. Bye bye.
Hi Taiji, कैसे हो? Happy anniversary, happy 50th anniversary. We are very happy for you people. कब आ रहे हो लुधियाना? We all are missing you so much. आना जल्दी.
Namaste Nanu ji, Nani ji. Congratulations on your 50th anniversary. It has always been so warm to see you both together, setting across tons of love and happiness.
Taiji and Taiji, wish you a very happy golden jubilee, and may your all dreams come true and you enjoy your life, and may you always be there with us, support us, guide us, and shower your love as you do always. Love you both and enjoy your day. God bless. Stay blessed.
ਤਾਈ ਜੀ, ਪਿਆਰੇ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਜੀ, ਗੋਲਡਨ ਜੁਬਲੀ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ। ਸਭ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਰਹੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਸ਼ੀਰਵਾਦ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਬਣਿਆ ਰਹੇ। ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਜੀ ਗੋਲਡਨ ਜੁਬਲੀ ਦੀਆਂ, ਔਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਫਟਾਫਟ ਜਲਦੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਏ, ਪੰਜਾਬ 'ਚ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਈਏ ਤੇ खूब आनंद करिए। बाय बाय। ओके जी, बाय।
कैसे हो? आज तो बहुत स्पेशल डे है। हैप्पी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी बोथ ऑफ यू, बुआ जी एंड अंकल जी। एंजॉय योर डे।
हेलो बुआ जी एंड अंकल जी, हैप्पी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी टू बोथ ऑफ यू।
लव यू बुई, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
हेलो, नमस्ते बुआ जी, आप कैसे हो? मैं हनुमानगढ़ से रजनी बोल रही हूँ। हैप्पी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी बोथ ऑफ यू, बुआ जी एंड अंकल जी। एंजॉय योर डे। ओके बुआ जी।
Very Penne, Mami ji and Sir ji. You both have been our pillar of strength and we will remain indebted to you throughout for what you have done for us. Soon after getting married, we were looked after by you all at your house in Naval Park. And till date, we remember our stay over there. Subsequently, both our children were raised by you, and for them, you will always remain Nanu and Nani number 1. On the occasion of golden wedding anniversary, we both wish you a very, very happy, long life, togetherness and good health. Happy marriage anniversary and many more to come. Very Penne, Mami ji and Sir ji.
Happy golden marriage anniversary, ji and Chachi ji. Wishing you many more years of togetherness.
It takes 50 years to turn a marriage into gold. Happy wedding anniversary. Your love for each other is an inspiration and a great example of commitment for everyone around you. Happy wedding anniversary.
It takes two special hearts to make a loving pair. Wishing that each passing day of this beautiful year keeps getting better than the last. Wishing you a world of happiness on your special day. Wish you a very happy 50th wedding anniversary.
Dear Chopra Sahib and Veena ji, we consider ourselves lucky to be greeting you on this special occasion. In certain cultures, marriage to last for many years is a special feat, calling for vow. Not in our case. We are brought up on the qualities of acceptance, adjustment, sacrifice, respect, and humility. So, we can withstand our marriages more happily. We like to share one memory with you. Now, before that we come to that memory, I'd like to share an observation also. When we first met you, we found there is a kind of silent, unexpressed communication going on between you two. Now, that reminded us of the unforgettable lines of filmy lyric may be appreciated to describe it. कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, क्या कहना है, क्या सुनना है, तुझको पता है, मुझको पता है. It's said that marriages thrive on trust and confidence. A small but significant instance of that one I'll prove to you. In 1994, you had to take a decision to approve a match for your daughter. Now, this needed a detailed discussion between husband and wife. A chance would have it, Mrs. Chopra was thousands of kilometers away. Well, she was explained by you on phone and she put her complete trust in you. And a decision was taken and the groom was approved. You know who is the beneficiary? We. Thanks for that decision. and trust between you two. Now, we wish you many, many more decades of happiness and good times together. God bless.
Happy 50th anniversary. Hello, Mama, Papa. Hope you are having a great day today. And unfortunately, Kali and I could not be there today, but we have sent best representative to keep you highly entertained. So hope you are having a lot of fun. मेरे को याद है फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं मिला था मम्मा से सांगल अंकल आंटी के घर, मम्मा ने मटन बनाया तो उसी समय मुझे पता चल गया कि दिस इज द हाउस. So thank you very much for accepting me in your family, and it's been such a pleasure to be part of this lovely family.
What can I say, Mama, Papa? मेरे लिए तो आप ही दोनों सब कुछ हो. सुबह शुरुआत आप लोग से होती है, दिन की एंड आप लोग से होती है. मतलब आप एज पेरेंट्स दोनों मामा पापा कि हम चाहे कैसे भी मूड में हो, हम कभी कभी बैंग कर देते हैं फोन, पर आप लोगों ने कभी भी ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस नहीं दिखाए, कभी गुस्सा नहीं हुए, हमेशा प्यार से हम लोग को आज तक हम लोग को प्यार दिया है, सपोर्ट किया है आगे बढ़ने का, और हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहने का दिखाया है. बस ऐसे ही हमें सपोर्ट करते रहो, और हम बस भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आप दोनों की हेल्थ हमेशा बहुत अच्छी फाइटिंग फिट रहे, और जल्दी से जल्दी आप लोग हमारे पास में वैंकूवर में आओ रहने के लिए. बहुत बहुत प्यार मम्मा, बहुत बहुत बेस्ट विशेज. हम हर रोज प्रे करते हैं कि आप दोनों की तबीयत हमेशा अच्छी रहे. लव यू एंड कांट वेट टू हैव सो मच फन विद यू ऑल टुडे.
Hi, Mom and Ronnie. I had so much fun meeting you 2 years ago, and I'm very sad I can't see you this year, but hopefully I can see you soon. One of my favorite memories when I visited last time was going to Goa and playing in the water, and when Nanu kept telling me not to go into the water, and I just had a lot of fun there with you guys going on like a trip, and I've never been to some place like Goa before, so it was a very nice experience, especially with you guys.
Hi Nana Nani, happy anniversary. I have the fondest memories of my summer vacations in India, going to the market, getting ice cream with Nani braiding my hair every day. I can't wait to finally spend this special day with you guys.
Hello Mama Papa again. व्यस्त रहो, स्वस्थ रहो और मस्त रहो, and keep giving us your blessing every day. जैसे अंजू ने बोला, हमारा दिन शुरू होता है आपकी blessing से, खत्म होता है आपकी blessing से. We are so blessed to have you there. Always be healthy, be positive, spread the positiveness, what you always do. So thank you once again, and wish you once again a very, very happy 50th wedding anniversary. हमेशा साथ बना रहे और हमेशा खुशियां फैलाते रहो.
और बहुत सारा प्यार हम सब की तरफ से और सक्सेना फैमिली की तरफ से. मम्मी जी पापा जी आपको मैसेज नहीं भेज सकते हैं, वो इतने टैक्स से अभी नहीं है, बट उन्होंने बोला है कि आपके लिए बहुत सारे प्यार और बहुत सारा बेस्ट विशेस उनकी तरफ से भी. तो हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी मम्मी पापा. आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट वी ऑल कैन बी टुगेदर टुडे सेलिब्रेटिंग द वे वी वांट टू. So love you. See you soon.
Love you, Papa. Love you.
Hi, Mama and Papa. Happy 50th anniversary. Here's wishing you all the very best on your 50th anniversary. I wish you many more years of fun, enjoyment, happiness, and good health. I wish I was there with you to celebrate this special occasion, but nevertheless, you know that we're coming around the corner. So I'll see you very, very soon, and we will celebrate once again, once I'm there with you all.
Happy 50th anniversary, Mummy and Papa. Wish we could have been there, but sending lots and lots and lots of love. Didis are there. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great time and wish you wonderful, wonderful many more years ahead.
Happy anniversary! Woo!
And we will cap this off with a very heartfelt, very nice song for the two of you.
And
Starting.
a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Henna, bolo bolo. Henna, bolo bolo. चीनू के पापा को चीनू की मम्मी से प्यार है, तभी तो वो है, तभी तो मैं.
Happy anniversary!
Hi Nanu Nani, happy 50th anniversary. I'm so happy that I am right there next to you and I'm able to share this with you, this moment with you. I'm very, very thankful that you guys got married so that I could exist and mom could exist. So thank you for that, I appreciate that. But yeah, Nanu, I wanted to tell you that I have learned so much from you in life. I've learned many different lessons and have sat down with you and have you explain, how to learn to be happy and how to learn how to take things in stride and make jokes out of everything and make sure to be happy and jovial no matter what. I very much appreciate that. I also have learned and been able to relate to you as the only other engineer in the family. So thank you so much for being the role model that I can look up to in my field. I think that that's something that I'm very grateful that I have, that you are someone who is a submarine engineer and I can now be a software engineer and follow in your footsteps. And lastly, thank you for always following after me. Running after me as a little kid as I broke many blinds and watched too many cartoons in the mornings. So thank you for always, being just an amazing grandpa for me and being my Nanu. And I am so glad that I can now hug you right now. Thank you, Ayush. And thank you so much. To Nani, hi Nani. I just want to say that I have learned how to love other people from you. And I think you always do the little things in life that just make everyone's days brighter. And I think that's something that I just have taken away, that sometimes those little things add up and become very big things. So thank you for teaching me that. Thank you for always having a smile on your face that manages to infect everyone's personality and put a smile on everyone's face and brightens everyone's day. I don't know if I've ever heard a laugh as unique and wonderful as yours. So I think it's just something that we all really enjoy, especially me and Ekavia. We get a lot of happiness to hear your laugh. And yeah, I just love that, you have infinite love for everyone and your always main primary objective is making sure that everyone in life stays happy. So thank you for teaching me those lessons. And I wish you the happiest of anniversaries. And now Ayush, cue to give Nani a hug. Thank you very much. And thank you so much for being amazing grandparents to me. I couldn't have asked for anything better. I love you.
Happy anniversary, Nanu Nani! Nanu, you're the best example of a family man that I've ever seen. I hope that I can grow up to be as great of a family man as you are. Thank you for teaching me how to do math through the Math 24 cards when you came to State College. Thank you for teaching me to love cricket. I still love cricket. I still love that we're able to talk about that. And thank you for being the reason why I'm a doctor today. A lot of the reason why I've joined this profession is because of all the things that happened in life. And I'm really thankful that you took it all in stride. You're the happiest person. You live your life stress-free. And I hope I can grow up to be as amazing as you. So happy anniversary to you, Nanu. And to Nani, the best Nani ever. Hi, Nani. And I'll just ask my mom. Thank you for filling our family with so much love and affection. I can't wait to taste your aloo ka paranthas again that are filled with a lot of love, aka ghee. And I can't wait to see you all soon and give you a big, big hug. This is Ayush's cue to give Nanu and Nani a big hug from my end. Happy anniversary. Hope to see you guys soon.
I'm transferring it right now. Here we go. Okay, go. Transfer succeeded.
I'm now rethinking the order. After listening to the two of them, I didn't want to go third anymore. But here I am. Happy 50th anniversary, Mummy and Papa. 50 years of bliss and happiness and telling jokes that after 50 years, Mummy can still laugh at.
True.
You are such a perfect, happy married couple that we all look up to. And you are role models for all of us, how supporting and caring and deeply in love you are with each other even after 50 years. Incredible role models for all of us, and we hope that we get to emulate you. And heartfelt from us, from all of us here in Boston, we wish you many more decades of togetherness and happiness and showering blessings on all of us. From your kids and grandkids in Boston.
Happy 50th anniversary, Mama Papa! I am so blessed to be your daughter. And you know what? I take pride in saying that I've spent 48 years out of those 50 years with you. So most than anybody else. I feel proud about that. But anyways, every day morning when I'm driving to school, my day starts with the two of you. Because you make me laugh. You give me so many wise advice, and that takes me through the day. My day cannot start without a call with you guys. During the day also, if I get a chance, एक फोन तो लगा ही लेती हूँ मैं स्कूल से, चाहे उसके बाद में बच्चे आ जाएं वो गिर रहे हों क्लासरूम में, पर मैं एक फोन तो लगा ही लेती हूँ. But anyways, I wanted to tell you कि how proud we are being your children, and we admire your partnership, your marriage, your caring and loving for the care and love for each other. Because हम लोग अगर बुढ़े जब होंगे, जब हमारी 50th होगी, तो I hope कि हम भी आप ही की तरह इतना प्यार कर सकें एक दूसरे को. ये जो पार्टनरशिप है आपकी इतनी इंस्पायरिंग है कि आप हर चीज़ इकट्ठे करते हो, एक दूसरे के साथ करते हो. I hope हम भी किसी दिन इतने एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडेंट हों और इतने एक दूसरे के साथ चलें. वो रेल की पटरी चल ही नहीं सकती अगर वो दोनों इकट्ठे ना चल रहे हो साथ में. So we love you. Happy 50th anniversary. We love you so much, and we are so happy that Ayush and I are there with you, and Arun and Akhil are there in spirits. They'll be there soon in person as well. Happy 50th anniversary!
Okay, we're gonna be hugging you a lot now. Thanks. Bye. Love you.
Bye.